You want to shoot a video right now?
Yes.
What do you want to talk about?
This Rubik's Cube?
This Rubik's Cube.
Yeah, I
I
said
think
that.
it's called a Fidget Cube.
I mean, Fidget.
Rubik's Cube is the...
Yeah. I have it at my room. That's why I do it every night. I try to like do it and I can't.
No, you just can't do it. So,
Okay.
how do you like the Fidget Cube, Marlie?
Yes.
Why do you like it?
Because it's so like cool and stuff. You can do all kinds of stuff. Like if you're like a baby, you can just like
If you were a baby?
yeah, you
Like
can
you?
just you can.
You're the one.
My really favorite is the
It's calming stone.
calming stone, which you rub your thumb on it.
Mm-hmm. Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Said?
And it calms you down. Oh. And
When are you not calm? When do you need to use that?
when after like gymnastics and stuff, when I'm like all sweaty.
I'm sweaty and worked out.
Yeah.
And you just...
And you just do this. Ew. Oh, I thought that was like a thing, but that was my web hair.
Yeah.
I said web.
Web hair.
Web hair. My second favorite is the bubble wrap thing that you just do this. Press one of these buttons. And my third favorite is this thing. I can't explain it. I think gymnastics can only do this all the time.
Do you want to shoot videos all the time? Do you want to post this video?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
You want to post this video on like YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yes!
Alright. We will.
This?
Yep. But we got to hit the stop button first and then go in there and upload it to YouTube.
Okay.
So...
Not yet.
Oh,
My
sorry.
My third favorite is this thing. Oh my god.
Try the other side.
Okay.
Flip it around.
Like this?
Yeah, you go. There you go.
Dare move! Fourth favorite is that thing. It's like a light switch. The bubble wrap thing is just moving and
Alright, what's your
moving.
fifth favorite?
My fifth favorite,
Whatever's left.
this thing. It doesn't really move around, so that's my last favorite.
Oh.
But it is super noisy. Just like the bubble wrap.
Alright, you're missing one thing, aren't you? There's 6 sides to this.
Oh, my fifth favorite.
6. You already said that. That was your second favorite.
Oh, yeah. No. Oh, yeah.
No. Oh, yeah. No.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No. Oh, yeah. No? Okay. No. I'll just so scared. You just do this. Do this the whole time.
Alright.
Okay.
That concludes the video of the Fidget Cube.
There you
Anything
go.
else?
Think fast.
Anything else you want to say?
Oh.
What?
Like it.
Okay, bye.
No!
Yay!